How to save preset on Alight Motion. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you save preset on Alight Motion. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open the application Alight Motion. Alright, so after you open the Alight Motion app, you will get such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the option templates just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from here you can find your multiple templates that Alight Motion will provide you. So from here you can select any one this template from here. So I will choose this one. Alright, so simply from here tap on import. Alright, so after you done this, you'll have to just tap on the option done just at the top right corner. And now from here tap on the option continue. Alright, so after you import this preset on your Alight Motion app, it will automatically save as a preset on your Alight Motion app. So simply back from here, and as you can see, the preset has been saved on my Alight Motion apps. So I can access easily to this template or preset on Alight Motion. So this is the easiest and simplest method to save preset on Alight Motion. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.